You have to take the cap off the camera.
We are test driving the drone.
Oh, you leave the lens cover on.
You do?
Get those aerial shots of the smoker.
Yeah, that's on. Ready
We
to
have
go.
flashing happening.
Have a connection here. Maybe I wait till it's starting sets. Just check that.
There's Chantel with her cycling suntan.
Oh, I would point that out.
What is happening now is it decided it needed to be updated before the drone flew.
Or Google Play on your mobile device. There are many intelligent features built in the Intelligent Flight menu on the left side of the menu, which greatly simplifies flight operation. APAS allows automatic obstacle avoidance and greatly improves flight safety.
Oh, so you?
Ready to go.
Are you filming it, Stuart? It's upside down. Stuart's filming. Fixed wing mode. Yeah. Oh, it's green now, Andrew, not red at the front. Fly. It's with green. Cruise control and coordinated tuning. Your aircraft has entered enhanced warning zone.
Looks like we may be ready to go. Simulation is done.
I'm filming in 4K. It's gonna be good.
Green. Oh.
Okay, connecting.
It's not flashing. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that.
You sure you want to take off? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe.
The compass is all good.
I don't know. Are we sure? We're never sure if we want it to take off. She's just looking good, sitting in the group. Go, 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 dig, dig, dig. Load up, and she's starting to break at the back. Go get her. Get her, go get her.
We are going to go first with the top female category. With a time of 35:15, she finished first, Michelle Schaefer. Come on up to the left side. With a time of 36 minutes, 11 seconds, Chantel Hansen. And with a time of 36:52, Haley Gill. Come on up. Get the podium shot in.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Get with the program, Chantel.
I'll take my foot off the gas just slightly. Again, Liam Smith, if you're out there, come on up to the left side, along with Chantel Hansen and Alexander Fraser Moran. You guys are no strangers to the main stage.